Hey everyone, Miguel here. Welcome guys to the channel here. And guys, wishing you, if you haven't heard yet, to all of you a very great year, a fantastic year of 2026. First of all and foremost, with lots of health. That's the main thing, guys, that I wish for everyone, but also with good wealth also. Okay, we need to make some changes, guys, in our mindsets so that we can have a brighter future for ourselves, right? So guys, today I'm going to do a kind of a summary of the last 2 months here with Bytnex, guys. So kind of basically my net profit for the last 2 months since November. So I'm gonna show you my details, okay, so that you can understand what we have here and what you can expect and how can this help you for the next 2, 3, 4, 5 years. Because guys, don't forget, Bytnex, formerly known as Cryptex, has been here for 9 years plus, almost 10 years, and guys, working flawlessly, no issues. Obviously guys, some downtimes, like the last day or so the website was down, but it's totally natural. Okay, this happens from time to time because they are working on the website and they need to take it offline so they can work everything correctly. All right, but if that happens, don't worry, because they will work it out and it's gonna be online in no time and working even better than the last time. All right, so guys, here I go. Let me check and start here with November. So guys, on November, around November 5th of 2025, my amount in the active in staking was almost $74,000. Now my loan balance that I started with a contract of 5 years, and for the 5 and 7 years, the loan from the bank is $43,200. Now on this, my total profit on November 5th was $30,732. So my total profit was 71%. All right, now this in 1 year and 2 months, and the profit from that day was $97. All right, now let's go to December 5th. All right, so in December 5th, my total profit was $34,200. So profit 79%. So imagine, from November 71 and to December 79, so around 8%, guys, which is conservative but pretty good. All right, and now imagine, so my active in staking was almost 74,000 and 77, so a little over $3,400, and from November to December. All right, now from December now to actually yesterday, because I took the screenshots already yesterday here in Portugal. Now it's already the 7th, but I took the screenshot on the 6th of January. Okay, January 6th of 2026. And as you can see, guys, my total active balance in the staking is 81,259, right? From December, as you can see, 77 to 81, almost $4,000, right? So my total profit was from 34,000 to a little over 38, and my total profit, the percentage in this 1 year and 4 months, has been 88%, right, in 1 year and 4 months. And from the last month, from December to now, it has been 79, 88, so 9% from this month of December, guys, which is pretty good. I believe it's on the high end of the usual, all right? So pretty good. And from the today, my earnings from today, my profit from today was 159 US dollars, guys. And as you can, if you don't know, here on Bytnex, every single amount that we have on our active staking, it is compounded every single day. So this amount that you see here, okay, this is the amount that is going to be compounded for tomorrow. So it's always increasing a little bit more. Even the percentage that we have here, guys, that we earn every single month, it's actually a little bit more, because with the compounding, it's usually it should be slower, all right? But with the compounding factor, it's really increases quite a bit. And obviously, guys, this makes a huge difference, because instead, if it was without the compounding, the average, I believe it would be around 3.5%, 4.5% per month. But with the compounding, it almost doubles the percentage that we earn every single day, guys. And obviously, compounding, like Einstein said, it's the 8th wonder of the world, guys. Those who don't know about it should know. And if you still don't know about Bytnex, guys, if you aren't still on it, okay, down below on the description, I have a link for you to join me, all right? You will go to my email list, and from there you can join, okay? I have a link there on my on a page for you to be able to join with me, all right? And get started. If you need any help, contact me on Facebook or on Telegram, all right? I have a channel there also on Telegram, so that I can help you get started. And guys, obviously, I hope that if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to my channel, click the bell, turn on notifications. And guys, I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much for listening, and I'll see you on the next one.